Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Extremely Entitled Woman Refuses to Leave Bar, Chaos Erupts.
On May 19, 2024, officers responded to a bar for a call of a woman refusing to leave.
What's going on? You want to check it out? I want to check it out.
I got this crazy here. I locked her out. She keeps coming. Okay, I'm gonna...
You're the one who called?
Yes,
oh,
Tina.
okay, all right.
I'm over. One always.
Yeah.
She's a wiry, crazy. I'm gonna take you out there. She comes in. She's married with 4 kids. She comes in here and once a week or something, summer. Okay. She got break. She usually has a few wines, and I don't know if she's on something.
What did she do today? Let's get to that.
Okay, we'll so one of my customers, they all came in from RJ Gators, the bartenders. They're all dressed like, and his girlfriend's here. Please go over that way, baby. I know, go that way, please. I'm just asking you.
You're kind of yelling at me, lady. But I will walk away.
All right, let's figure it out.
Oh my God. I can't tell. So, she jumped on his lap and does like this.
One of the bartenders?
No, yeah, from RJ Gators. So his girlfriend's sitting there. She grabs him by, go that way or go back in.
Done after this.
That song, and then they're done. So he pushes her.
Okay.
Because his girlfriend's there, and she said he grabbed her, her boyfriend by the waist. He saw somebody, she don't care. Last week she was out there giving a guy.
Last week.
Okay.
What do you want done? Let's start.
I want her trespassing.
Okay, let's just do that.
I begged her. Listen, I begged her to leave.
Let's go get her in the trespass.
I wouldn't trespass her.
Okay, let's just get down to the rest.
Very crazy and wiry.
Yeah, she's talking about a whole lot of nothing.
I don't know. She said.
Okay. You didn't see a knife.
No, it's in. She put her hand in her pocket.
What's her name?
Summer. Summer.
Okay. All right.
Talk to the cops. Summer, right there. Summer.
Oh, me?
Yeah. I guess she wants you trespassed. Okay.
I'm a trespass?
No, she said she wants you trespassed. She doesn't want you back.
When I asked you to, Summer.
So she's wanting you trespass. It's her.
Oh, okay.
I'm just letting you. Do you have an ID or anything that you might forget?
What?
You might have forget an ID. Or I can just take your name and date of birth.
I told you to leave, and
I can get you my ID. I don't have it on me.
Where's your stuff at?
I don't know. She's like No, she's putting me to the cops. Like they can't.
So you know you're not in trouble. It's only you're only in trouble.
Well, no, I don't know what I'm in trouble for, but
you have stuff up here.
Stuff, as in what?
No, you said your license was up here.
Yeah, you want to get my license? Yeah.
Because you have to leave.
Yeah. Yes. Right here.
I asked you to leave. To leave what?
We're grabbing her stuff.
What am I leaving for?
So
Ain't nobody left anything. Tina?
But the only high school is the other one.
You left things like every day, every night, everything.
All right, let's get your stuff.
To leave things?
Is it in a car or you have it up here at a table?
You want my shit? Here we go.
That's what I'm asking.
Here we go.
I just asked if it was in your car, if you had stuff at a table.
No, okay. I don't even know what the f*** is asking for at this point.
So here's the thing. Anybody who's like a manager or whatever.
Yeah, I get it, but...
So you understand that it's not me saying you're trespassing.
Know.
It's just she's saying you're trespassing.
I'm going to tell you right now, I've been here for 5 years, and nobody asked anything other Tina. Like,
I got you. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying that's what
I get it, but...
But you do understand if you come back, you'll be arrested, right?
What?
Yeah, for trespassing. That's the whole point of a trespass. She's saying that she wants you trespassing.
Whoa, wait.
We're not going back up there because you're trespassing.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you're trespassing. That's not even your ID. You're trying to give me a credit card. Where's your ID at?
I'm trespassing?
That's what I'm telling you.
Wait, I'm asking, okay, what am I trespassing about?
She is saying you're trespassed, which means you cannot come back here. If you come back here, you'll be arrested. I don't know how much more clear I can explain that.
You know what? Fine.
That's what I'm telling you.
Facts.
She does not want you here.
I didn't hear that.
I've said that 5 times now. So, do you have someone who can drive you home? Because you should not be driving. Because you're going to get a DUI if you drive.
All right, fine, whatever. Dude, whatever. There's my license. There you go. You mean to say that you told me that she meant that? Didn't nobody tell me that I couldn't be here?
She told you you're trespassed.
No, she didn't.
She just did it in front of me. She said you were trespassed. Do not come back here. And then I've repeated it now 5 times.
All right, fine, facts. Great.
I don't get to choose who gets trespassed.
Great, here we are. Great. Here we are. Yeah, it's fine.
So you've been yelling and screaming this whole time at me. All I'm doing is telling you that you trespass,
No,
which is
I
her
just feel like
decision.
you're,
It's not
like-
my decision.
I just feel
Do you
like-
think
These all these backyard bars, hillbilly spots, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I get it, man. She said she got 4 kids. She come once a week to get away from the brats, you know? Listen, mama's gotta, you know, I don't know about once a week. God damn, that's a lot of, you know what I'm saying? You know, typically mamas, you know, maybe we gonna give you once a month now, you know, but once a week? Golly. But anyway, you know, she tried to come over there, get loose, you know what I mean? And that's it, you know? But I think they both crazy. Okay, that's my personal opinion. That lady with the red hair or whoever, the bartender or manager or whoever she is, she look like she cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And then this one right here who trying to get away from her kids is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. They all not wrapped too tight, man. This is what you're gonna get in these hillbilly spots. You know what I mean? This is what you're gonna get. A whole bunch of this. Now, did this lady do the most to get trespassed? Probably not. You know, but in these small little town areas or whatever, everybody knows everybody. They go to the same spot, regulars and stuff like that. They kind of get to bickering with each other. You know, that's my take on the situation. But oh, your boy light went out. Hold up now. Hold up. My light went out now. Golly. Hey, you gotta let them know. Act right. Tell them to act right, man. Tell them to act right. Tell them to act right, man. They better get it together. We got them act right t-shirts, man. Tell them boys, yeah. I'm saying y'all never see me stand up. You know, I'm standing up now. I'm up. Act right. What? We about to get you together. You hear me? She better act right. She better act right, man, before we get them together. But anyways, that's my take on the situation. Let's continue.
I want to be here
bullshit.
dealing with a bunch of drunk people? I don't want to be here dealing with drunk people.
Yeah, but you are dealing with a drunk. You are.
I am dealing with a drunk. Here's your ID back. So you understand your trespass, you can't come back.
Yeah.
How many people were over
come
today?
back? Nobody.
No, you rode by yourself.
No.
Okay.
Yep.
So you have to leave the property.
Bye.
So what do you think about me? I don't have to leave the property. You do. So how are you going to get out of here because you can't drive?
You tell me how I deal with it
You're
now.
going to have to walk, and you have to come get your
Good.
car.
I'll walk.
Okay. But you do understand that you can't drive, right?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have friends that are here, or are you here by yourself?
I don't know. You have go ask Tina.
Why are you being a
Go
dick to
ask
me?
my friend Tina. Go ask my friend
Who's your
Tina.
friend Tina? I don't know who your friend Tina is.
The girl that asked you to get my shit right here.
The one that trespassed you?
Yeah.
The man?
Yeah,
Well,
you
clearly, I
go,
guess she's
you
not
go
your
fucking
friend.
ask her because she likes that.
Okay.
She likes it.
Okay.
Yeah, go ask.
So you
Go
understand
ask.
that if
I'm
you
not
drive out of
driving.
here-
No, not
Okay.
driving.
But
No,
need
you
to
don't have
leave
to
the
worry about
property
me.
now.
No, don't worry about me. No.
Well, I'm telling you, you got to
What
leave
are
the
you gonna
property
do about
right now.
it?
I'm going to arrest you if you don't leave the property. You need
So
to leave
how
the
am I
property
gonna
now.
leave if I can't drive?
You're going to have to come back and get your car. You're going to have to arrange it with them.
Right. We'll do.
But I'm telling you, you're not
Good,
driving now because
good,
you're going to DUI.
Good. I will arrange it.
Okay, let's go because you got to leave. Otherwise, I'm going to arrest you right now.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Good. Arrange it.
Let's go. You need to leave the property or I'm going to place you under arrest.
Is this seriously what you're gonna do?
Yes, because it's my job.
Right.
So
Is this
you need to
seriously
leave.
like you're gonna ask Tina like what she's gonna do?
I'm not.
You
Tina
asked
already
out of
said
all
that you-
these motherfuckers here, you're gonna do this to me?
I'm not doing anything to you. You're doing
I
this to
am.
yourself.
No,
Yes.
I am asking
You need to leave the property or I'm going to place you under arrest.
But everyone else here could ask to leave the property.
Tina she can trespass anybody she wants.
No,
I'm telling you now.
No.
Listen to me.
No.
If you don't leave this property, you're
Who
going
the
to
heck
jail
is this
right
guy?
now.
No.
You're going to go to jail. All right. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not.
Come here. You're going to go to jail. Come here.
I'm gonna take you to jail.
See? She ain't want to act right.
Now you got a felony. Fantastic. You just kicked me.
No, that's not.
You just kicked me. That's a felony.
What are you talking about? You
Yep.
guys are such dicks.
You did this to yourself. All this was you and you.
Seriously?
All you have to do is leave. It's simple.
What do you mean all I had to do was leave?
Trespassing, you're told multiple times that you had to
Nobody's
leave.
asking to trespass. You said dick.
Do you want a seatbelt? Oh, yeah, you're in the front, so you can put a seatbelt on if you want. So,
What?
all right, you're going to jail. So, you can put the seatbelt on if you want to wear it.
Well, I would love my other stuff that I brought.
Well, you decided that you wanted to sit there and not be cooperative. So,
You're
I mean, why would I be cooperative
You're
with you now?
such a dick. Like, you didn't even want to, like...
When you watch the body cam footage when you sober up, you'll realize. You'll realize.
Your body cam?
Yeah, you'll realize how many times I told you
Really?
and warned you. Yeah.
Really?
So, yeah.
Give me my other shit that I need with me. Give me my
There's nothing that you need. You're going to.
Fucking kidding me?
You're going to jail. The jail's gonna provide you with everything that you need.
God, you're such a. You got such a big dick, dude. Yeah.
You've been,
Oh, wow.
You've been so nice to me.
Dick, dude.
All right.
Like, I hope you make no money, dude. You make no money. Buying, like, giving all your bullshit. You're gonna sit here and, like, give me my. Does that make you feel good?
No, you didn't have anything in your pocket.
Oh, he feels good.
think it's inside of the car.
He's got a small dick with a. Yeah. Yeah.
She's good with standards.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Small
I thought you were gonna talk.
dick complex. Oh, look at these fuckers, sweet motherfuckers.
Just like a child.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct, battery on law enforcement, and resisting arrest.
Yeah, I mean, unbelievable, man. You can't make this stuff up. You know, dealing with drunk people it could be exhausting. You know what I mean? It could really be exhausting because you're trying to tell them something, but it's going in one ear and out the other, and they're not properly listening and listening to comprehend. They're typically just listening to respond. So all the information isn't getting processed correctly through their brain. So this is what you end up with. You have to leave the property. You know, how are you getting home? Oh, well, I'm gonna just walk back to the bar and walk inside. Like, you know, it didn't process correctly. But anyway, I think the officer handled himself pretty well. I'm gonna give a 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.